All right, so this is a short video to show you how to download, or not download, but to create assignments that contain um, problems and exercises and multiple choice questions that students can use to study with for Accounting 331. So let's just first take a look at the syllabus. Not the syllabus, the course outline. It's this one over here. And um, these are the required problems here. And I want to make sure that we give access to everything except for the required problems. So if we take a look, let's say at, I've done three parts of chapter 14. They limit you to 100 questions at a time, and I'll show you that. So here's part 2. This is one that I've already created. And you can see all of these questions over here. But for example, you can see that I have exercise 14.9, which is actually probably part of part 1. 11, 13, and there's no 13. So this is where it starts, and then part at exercise 14.12, and then you go down to 17, this one here, and you see that there's no 17, but everything else is there. And for all of these things, they are available with the solutions. And let me show you how to do this. The last one I did was chapter 14, part 3, and I wrote down that the last thing I got for that assignment was multiple choice question 53. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new assignment, select the assignment, and it's going to be still chapter 14, and I'm going to click find, and here I'm going to click all, and then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go down probably quite a ways down through all the problems, all the concepts for analysis, the financial reporting problems, and then down here the true false questions, multiple choice questions, down to multiple choice question 53, and that's the one that I wrote down as the last one that I did. Now I'm going to start adding these. Add this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and maybe there's a faster way to do this. I haven't figured it out. It has something to do with they don't want you to just bulk add them all, which I kind of like to do, and then exclude the ones that I've assigned. So that's what I'm doing. It's just going to go down here and add these. I'll go down, keep going. There's a lot of them, but this gives the students an opportunity. I don't think they can print this out, at least not very well, but they can look at these and practice all the multiple choice questions that they can possibly find on wileyplus with the solutions. Some people, like myself, learn best by doing multiple choice questions. I don't know why, but that seemed to work really well for me. So I'm going to make them available to my students. And I don't know, it doesn't tell you how many questions I have. Brief exercise 117. Boy, I don't know about these brief exercises. This is still chapter 14, you can see here. I don't know. Wanted to do them all, but man, does it seem like it goes on. I think I'm going to go down to these IFRS questions. So let's do that. Let's go down to the IFR questions. IFSRS questions here, just because I'm tired of doing that. I don't know, it's going on forever, right? And I'm going to stop there. And with just there's more practice questions, pre-lecture questions, all kinds of stuff here. And then I'm going to hit organize assignment. And I'm going to unclick this. I'm going to chapter 14, part 4. I'm going to call this C14P4. And I'm going to set the policies here. I really don't particularly want other instructors to just do this, I guess. I don't know. Here, I'm going to show students, I'm going to make these, this is all always visible after the last attempt for these things. And I'm going to say values change for each attempt stay the same, but each student gets different values. And I'm going to finalize the assignment. Those I've set earlier, and I save these settings. And if you could set them and save them when you do it, that would be great. These are ungraded. I want to automatically, there is no due date here. So yeah, we want to make sure that we have no due date, ungraded, and we're going to assign. And there we have, now we have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. It's scheduled, it becomes active after a while. And there is what I need to do with the new syllabus, or with the new course outline.